In a remarkable initiative to engage youth in sports and steer them away from substance abuse, a volleyball tournament was organized in memory of two brave soldiers, Amal Sarkar and Manik Pathari, at the Baikhora English Medium High School ground in Santir Bazar subdivision. According to reports, the tournament features 16 teams from different parts of the state with a dual aim of promoting physical development among rural youth and encouraging them to participate in healthy recreational activities rather than falling prey to harmful habits. The final match of the tournament was inaugurated by prominent social worker Dr. Jalal Mia, who paid tribute to the families of the martyred soldiers and honored the memories of Amal Sarkar and Manik Pathari. The event was also attended by the families of the soldiers and other local social workers. In the championship, Sabrum Zolefa emerged as the winner, while Baikhora Cosmopolitan Club secured the runner-up position. Trophies and cash prizes were distributed to the winning and runner-up teams by the guests. Dr. Jalal Mia also presented a financial grant of Rs 15,000 to the runner-up team, demonstrating his consistent dedication to social welfare. The tournament drew a large crowd of volleyball enthusiasts, reflecting the community's support for initiatives that promote sportsmanship and youth engagement. Organized by Dr. Jalal Mia and the Ayut of Baikhora, this annual event continues to inspire youths across the region to stay active and disciplined through sports.
Amal Sarkar, Shohid Manik Pathari তাদের প্রতি শ্রদ্ধা স্মরণ করে ভলিবল টুর্নামেন্ট খেলার আয়োজন করা হচ্ছে জালাল খেদমত আল ইনসান ফাউন্ডেশন আর ভাইগোরা ভলিবল টুর্নামেন্ট কমিটির পক্ষ থেকে আজকে আয়োজন করা হয়েছে। শহীদের প্রতি অভিনন্দন নমস্কার জানাচ্ছি। আর যুব সমাজকে একটা কথা বলতে চাই, যারা খেলাধুলা থাকবে তারা নেশার থেকে বিরত থাকবে। আমার ফাউন্ডেশন সবসময় খেলাধুলা নিয়ে মানুষকে সহযোগিতা করে, আগামী দিনও করবে।
Reported by Bikram from Santir Bazar, Chinikhara.